Hi, Mr. Kiran Kumar. What's the brother?
Hello, Mr. Shivol. Yeah, I'm so. And you?
Yeah, I'm not bad. So I think what was our Tuesday topic?
Yes, I know that because yesterday you tell us about the topic.
Yeah, yeah. So good. It is for good you. Actually, at this moment, we want to know about your country. Could you share us about your
Yes,
country?
yes.
Okay, let's start, brother.
Okay. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Actually, you know that today our topic is about our country. Actually, I'm from Bangladesh and my country name is Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is a small country in the world actually, and it is a small country, but there are many person live there. I think 8 crore people live in there Bangladesh, and Bangladesh has 8 division actually, like Dhaka, Rajshahi, like Khulna, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and there are 64 district in Bangladesh, like Bogura, like Kustia, like Maimanching, like Cox's Bazar, etc., etc. So, and there is a very important place in the Bangladesh actually, and I think you know that Kustia is a very important place in the world. Yeah, and in the Bangladesh because there are many type of product made in Kustia. So I can tell about Kustia, and Kustia is a very important city and very, very important place in the world. So,
Yeah, yeah.
and our Dhaka is a very, very, very most important place in the world and in Bangladesh, and there is a many garment factory, and there are many garment factory, and there are many type of factory, and there are many things made in Bangladesh, and made in Dhaka, and that after made its product sell another country. So I think it is a very important city, important division, important district in, okay, etc., etc. So and Bangladesh has a many type of place. If I share you, there is a Rupur Parumanobik Vidyut Kendra, and there is a traveling store, traveling stage, and Khulna, and there is a Padma Bridge, and there is a Harding Bridge. There is a many type of rail station, and there is a most, I think there is a many type of rail station, but I most like Rajshahi rail station because it is a very interesting, and it is a very beautiful station, I think, because when I went to Rajshahi at that time I have seen that. So and I think Dhaka rail station is a Dhaka Kamlapur rail station is a good, but I think Rajshahi railway station is better to Kamlapur railway station. So there is a many type of city, and famous city. Okay, at this time I love to share you. Rupur. There is a, you know that there is a Paramanobik Vidyut Kendra, and so there are Russian people. There are many Russian people. There are come in for job, and there is a, I think, many type of building in Rupur. It is a very interesting place in the world, and there are every there are Russian people come in for jobs, and if I share you, there is a mental hospital in a Pabna, and the mental hospital is only one in Bangladesh. So it is a it is a very important place in Bangladesh, I think, because there are. There are many city in Bangladesh, but every city don't have mental hospitals. Only one is Pabna. So I think it is very important place in Bangladesh, and there was the scientific lab. There was a scientific lab in Pabna. It is a called Bangla called Bisho Bisho Bigyan Kendro. ভাই, চুপ কর চুপ কর Just
So, is your story completed? Hey, brother.
কিন্তু সব oh, actually I have a call, so I have to mute. No problem. And
Okay.
there is a many type of important place in Bangladesh. So at this time, I like to end our video record. So that's it.
Okay. Thank you for your stories, and it was very good stories, I think.